Today I'm going to show you how to save time with Windows V. Let's go. Are you ever trying to copy and paste stuff from one tab to another and you have to keep switching back and forth and back and forth and back and forth to copy paste? Let me show you a better way. If we come in here to a list like this and we want to copy and paste something, we can highlight, and then on our keyboard we're going to hit the Windows button and the V button at the same time. That's going to pop up this little pop-up menu. It's for our clipboard. If we click Turn On, we come back here, and now if we do Control-C, we come here, we highlight this one, Control-C. I'm just going to copy a whole bunch of stuff. Now when I go to my slide deck, if I want to put each one of those on a different page, I can click the plus. And here, if I hit that Windows V button again, here's all those questions that I just copied and pasted on my clipboard. So without having to switch tabs, I can click, here's my first question. I can add a new page now, click the title, do Windows V, add the next question, hit the plus, tab, Windows V, another question, and they're all already on there for me. So right here, everything I copied a minute ago is going to be here. So use Windows V to copy a whole bunch of stuff at once. It doesn't have to be off of a document. If I want to go to this Quicktip, share the link and the description. I copy both of those. Control-C to copy. I come back over here. I hit Windows V. There is that description and the link. So I have both of those there. Makes it easier to share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week.